Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to Fundeka. Thank you for being the first in the notification gang. I know this is not your first time, so thank you so much. I see you. In today's video, I'm just going to be going through some quick tips for you guys on how to just make sure you take care of your hairline and the front of your hair, your edges, while your hair is in protective styling or while your hair is sort of looking mangled like mine. So these are just some tips that you can do to just make sure that while your hair is in protective styling or while you've got it in your cornrows, your two-strand twist, whatever it is that you have your hair in at the moment, that your hairline is still okay and you're just still taking care of your hair. So if your hair is sort of like mine, it's really important that you make sure that you take care of this hair since it's easy for it to get caught and tangled and break. So the first tip for you guys would be to moisturize your hair. I usually like to use some shea butter, warm it up in my hands, and then use that on my hairline just to make sure that that hair at the front is really well moisturized because it's not with the other hair in the cornrows. So when your hair is well moisturized, it's less likely to knot itself up, it's less likely to break, and it just makes sure that it's well hydrated, which is really, really good, especially for your edges, which is the delicate portion of your hair. My second tip for you guys would be castor oil. We are all well aware of castor oil. It is amazing in terms of helping to regrow your hairline, regrow your hair. So I just like to make sure that I put a little bit of castor oil from time to time, every sort of like second week, just on my hairline, because we know castor oil smells funky. So just making sure that I put a little bit on my hairline and just making sure that I then massage it in. And that brings me to tip number 3, scalp massages. Scalp massages, especially once you've put some oils and castor oil and whatever it is, helps to just cause more circulation to happen in the area that you're massaging. It allows for more blood flow to the area, which in turn helps with maintaining your hair strength, your hair roots and things like that, which helps with your hairline. Number 4 would be tea tree oil or apple cider vinegar. These are antibacterial agents which help with removing dirt and debris. So you can put either in a dilution. So you can put apple cider vinegar in a dilution, or you can put your tea tree oil in a dilution and just spritz a little bit into your hair. This is obviously before wash day, and then you can go in and wash it out. This is especially important if you have protective styles where you like to lay your edges a lot. I've spoken about this a lot, about removing the gel from your edges. If you are an avid gel user, make sure from time to time that you actually do an apple cider vinegar rinse for your whole head, or at least just your hairline. You do have to wash this out after. Tip number 5 is just your overall hair maintenance, your overall scalp care. It's important for you, especially when your hair is away and you don't have to worry about it. It's really important for you to make sure that your entire head is getting well moisturized. There's no point in you having great edges but your scalp and your hair is dying. A happy scalp means that your hair will then grow better, which means that your edges won't be breaking and dying and just falling off. So yeah guys, those are my quick tips for you guys. Make sure to comment down below your thoughts and like if you like the video, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you don't miss a video every time it's posted. I love you guys so much. Mwah.